right, Lindsay, what are we doing here today?
Skydiving.
We're skydiving. You got your harness on, you're ready to roll, right?
Ready to go.
Ready to go.
Pants.
Awesome.
Pants.
Danger, danger. Cool. All right, so what brought you out here to jump with us today?
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Nice. All right, well, plane's in the air right now, but as soon as it gets down, we're gonna get on that caravan. We're gonna go up to about 14,000 feet in this beautiful sky, and we're gonna have ourselves a birthday skydive. What do you say to that?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, you got any last words to anybody watching at home?
Love you, Mom.
Love you, Mom. That's it?
That's it.
All
That's
right.
I got.
Well, we'll see you in the sky.
All right.
All right, let's do it. Woo. You're walking to the plane. We're going skydiving. You ready to go? You ready to go? Woo! You ready?
Holy shit! Oh! Oh my god! Scared as shit in that video. Woo!
Do you like spinning?
Did we spin?
We can.
Yeah, let's spin. Let's spin some more the other way.
Get a good one in here. Check it out. Put the plane under you.
That's my friend. That's my friend down there. Oh my god.
Woo! How was that?
breathe. It was amazing.
Go ahead and take those goggles off.
Holy shit.
All right, watch out, watch out. Come up here, come up here. All right, come back, come back, come back. All right, what was your favorite part about that? Was it free fall or flying underneath the
My
canopy?
instructor, of course.
Yeah? Awesome, awesome. Well, we had ourselves a blast. Happy birthday. Thanks for coming out to Skydive Tennessee and Tullahoma and sharing this experience with us, and make sure you come back and jump again, all right?
Doing it again.
All right, awesome. Welcome to skydiving.